My name is Kenzo, and in this video, you will acquire English naturally by watching, listening, and following along as I play Minecraft Hardcore. And in this video, I want to go back to the Nether and search for the baby Ghast. I cleared out my inventory. I have some food. I have some potions of fire resistance. I should pick up some blocks. Let's pick up some deep slate blocks. Let's go outside. Let's open the door and close the door. Let's go to our portal. So far in this series, we've survived 40 days. All right, let's go into the portal. Here we are. So the baby ghasts spawn in this biome with the bones and the soul sand and the blue fire. So I'm going to look for this biome. Die, die. Cooked pork chop because it was on fire. Ooh. Over there are some bones. And I can also see some blue fire, and I think that is soul sand over there. So I'm going to head this direction. I'm going to get some stone, and I'm going to build a bridge this way. This is really dangerous. I hope there are no ghasts. Building a bridge out of stone. I'm close. Let's keep going. Here we are. Let's make a staircase down. I'll make a staircase. Okay, I think this is the right biome. So I'm going to look for the baby ghast. I think it's usually next to the bones. Ooh, I see some bones over there. Let's go look over there. Okay. Oh, skeletons. Oh, there are lots of skeletons here. Let's get out my sword. Die. Die. Okay, let's eat some bread. Ooh, okay, I'm going to wait here for my health to regenerate. Okay, let's see. Let's kill this ghast. Never mind. I'm on fire. The skeleton's on fire. Die, skeleton. Do I have a bow? I have 3 bows, but they're all almost broken. I'm going to combine them like this. There we go. And I have 4 arrows. Okay. Is there a baby ghast here? No? No baby ghast. The skeleton has gold armor. Block. 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 Oh! Run, run, run! I see it! I'm safe. I found the baby ghast. I'm gonna eat some bread. I can hear the skeletons out there. Die. Die. I killed it. Let's break this block. Okay, there's another skeleton. Die, skeleton. I killed that skeleton. Let's eat more bread. There it is. I'm gonna get my pickaxe. Let's pick it up. I got it! Okay, now I'm going to quickly run back home. Let's go, let's go. Run, run, run. Run, run, run. I'm running. Run, run, run. Here's my bridge. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Run! I'm so close. Here's my portal. Let's go through the portal. We did it! I'm back home. Okay, let's go home. Let's open the door, close the door, and let's go to sleep. Here it is, the dried ghast. In the next video, I'll grow this dried ghast into a big ghast, but I'm going to end this video right here. If you're enjoying these videos, I have a Ko-Fi page where you could make a donation to help support this channel. Big thank you to these supporters. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. See ya. Till I feel just right. Wow, is this the best?